Alright, in this video we're still going to continue talking about forces at an angle, but in this one we are going to talk about pushing a lawnmower. So it's a similar concept to the pulling a wagon, except in this case, on our horizontal plane, the force is being applied down and to the right. So because it's being applied down and to the right, that means that we have our vertical force down instead of up. So this is still our force applied, and we still have our force of weight, which is still equal to mass times gravity, and we still have our normal force. But in this case, our frictional force is still in the same position, really, but our force applied in the x is to the right, and then our force applied in the y is down. So very similar to the other one, the only one that really changes places is the force applied in the y. And this actually makes a lot of difference because when we do our sum of forces formulas, it's always equal to mass times acceleration. But then when we do our perpendicular forces, our normal force is going to be by itself, and then we're going to subtract our force of weight plus the force applied in the y, which makes sense again because as we're pressing down, we're adding more force to the surface, so the surface is going to have to be the same. The surface applying a force up is going to have to be the same as the force of weight plus our applied force. So then we can look at our parallel forces, and that's just equal to our force applied in the x minus our force of friction.